Hey guys, today we got another problem. Oh shit, my wheels is broken once again. Okay guys, back the video. We got a new problem issue. So the latest intercept that I made. Hold up. Let let me open there. So yeah, I totally forgot. I have a hutch. Just look at my beautiful hutch. Anyways, so we got a new problem. Look, it's shelly. It's a shell, a little shell. So good thing we have a pair of these two wheels, so it should be an easy one. It's not. Yeah, this is what the intercept. That's the interception from the FLG, which is my team called the Formal Life Geography in Understanding, or FLG. So there. Let's try. See. Oh, I see something. Here's our mechanics, by the way, that we're gonna use a screwdriver and get this. Get to the. Okay, we got the nail one that goes like this to here. Okay, good. So that's one, and let's go another surgery time again. Oh my, there, nail number 2. Oh, the box. Get in. Hey. Okay, we got it back. So let's put it down. Oh my. Anyways, yeah. So let's check in the wiring first. So yeah. Let's see here. Looks like no restraining. So let's try this one, because from what I know, this is a high voltage. Yeah, 25. Let's see. Oh, look, a hood. Wait. Let's see. You see that? Look at that. That's a voltage. It's a ow. Ow. Okay, I know what to erase this guy from existence. If metal is the worst enemy, what about a stick? So let's open the hood and strip this out. Yeah. Hopefully this doesn't break even more. Ow. Okay, I think it's safe to touch our hole. Nope, still not. Come on, just get it out there. Okay, I think it's enough. Okay, so let's close the lid. See that? So this, by the way, this is the TMV-2 I intercepted last night. And if it rained, I don't know, but for some reason it became wet, so I have to dry it first. Anyways, let's check. Okay, seems not bad. It's time for wiring. Surgery time, everybody. Can you say surgery time? Alright, so it's time for surgery. Beep, 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 beep. Hey, look at me. Look at me when I'm talking to you. This is a live threatening. Anyways. Okay, so let's see here. Okay, it's a high voltage. It's okay. Now we're gonna flip it upside down. Oh my. Oh. Yeah, look at that. That's the pair of the wheels. Everybody. My knee hurts, man. Let's go a little bit of this. Okay, look at that. Finish. Almost done. Here and here. Let's just check in. Okay, I don't think so. Oops. Oh my! Screwdriver. Now for the wheel test. Wheel testing time. Goods. And good. So now let's put back the nail. Oh my! The nail deployment. So bridge. What I remember. It's here in the front. So okay. So this is what it should be if it's doing deploy, and this is if turning off. Seems not bad. Okay, I think we might have to fix. Yeah, it's definitely fixed. Thank you for your service. So yeah, thank you guys for another custom video, and see you guys soon, or maybe later. I don't know. I'm just a new content creator trying to be a storm chaser because I really want to be a storm chaser. And I'm meteorologist, but I live in the Philippines, so I don't care now. But I may have not do it. So everybody, please, for the sake of the love of God, please subscribe. I'm begging. Yeah, I'm recording you to here. Look. I'm recording you. What? I'm recording you. Okay. Anyway, subscribe.